Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demo or show you a step-by-step process how we can install Java JDK into Windows 10 machine. I will go through the process how we can download and installation process. Then we'll see how to set the path into environment variables, and we will see with the Eclipse how we can use that installed JDK 1.8, and we will run a sample program and we'll see. Yeah, first let me go to Google and search for JDK8. So download JDK8. Yeah, this video I am showing you how to install JDK8. So I am going to install Java J2SC Development Kit 8. Yeah, scroll down and you will find the installation paths. Yeah, I'm going to install Java SC Development Kit 8Q261. Okay, here in last Windows 64-bit. If you are using a 32-bit, then you can go for this download. Or for Windows 64-bit, we need to download this exe file, JDK 8Q261 Windows x64.exe. Click this one. It will ask you for accepting this one and for download. Here one thing, you need to log in into Oracle website. So if you don't have Oracle account, first you need to create the account and log in into Oracle, then only you able to log in, and you need to accept this one. I already logged in, so it is not asking for again login. Yeah, somewhere you can see I already logged in. Yeah, I already logged in, so it is not asking again logged in. But if you are coming for the first time, you should create the account and you need to download. Yeah, this one I already downloaded, so let me click this one and go through the installation process. Yeah. One more thing, I have JDK 14, so let me show you in program files. Yeah, here Java and JDK 14, but still we can work with multiple versions. There is no conflict based on the path what we are setting. It will be taken, so no need to worry about multiple versions. Yeah, yeah, this is the installation wizard. This is a simple wizard, just we need to follow these steps by accepting the default things. Yeah, here installing, it is installing to Java program files, Java JDK 1.8. Yeah, so we can keep this default program files installation path and click next. Yeah, it won't take much time, it will be very quick. Yeah, here JDK is installed and now it is asking for JRE. So in Java 1.8, we will see two folders. One is for JDK installation, other one is JRE installation. So JDK installation already completed and it is going for JRE, and it is also we can keep the default path and click next. Yeah, installation process is successfully completed. We can see this message. Java SC Development Kit 8 update to 6.1 64-bit successfully installed. So the installation process completed. Just we can close this installation wizard and we can see our installation software. Yeah, here in C program files Java, we can see two folders. One is for JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8. there are two folders, but you can observe for JDK 14 there is only one folder. It is clubbed together, and JDK 14 itself contain JDK and JRE both, but JDK 1.8 has two different folders. But yeah, software is installed. Just we need to set the path, and we can access from Eclipse. Let me go to command prompt. Here, if we already have a path set, we can see the version. Yeah, it is not giving any version, means path is not set. For Java also, it is not. Yeah, it's default. I think it's set to 1.8 now. I will show you how we can set to Java compiler as well. Click on window, then go to settings. From the settings window, go to system. Here search for environment variable env, and go to the second option, edit the system environment variables, and from here advanced and environment variables. Somewhere in system variables we can see path. Select the path and click edit, and yeah, see here it is set to Oracle Java path. So that's the reason it is taking JDK. Let me set for JRE also. So no need to edit. We'll create a new, and copy the JDK path. JDK path until bin we need to set. Okay, so I'm copying JDK path until bin, and here we need to paste in path. Okay, yeah, I pasted here and click OK, and OK. Now we'll open a new window and we'll check. I am opening new command prompt. Here we'll see Java C version. Yeah, now it is coming properly. Java C, Java compiler, and Java version also. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, how it is coming is we set the path, Java path until bin. In bin we have all these executable files like Java compiler and Java runtime environment. Java.exe is nothing but JVM, Java runtime environment, and Java C is Java compiler, and we have many other tools like Java P, and all other executable files are in bin, and we set the path until bin, so we are able to access these Java compiler and other things here. So now path is ready. We'll see how to set class path as well. Class path also simple thing. This is required for some of the softwares which use Java. For those we need a class path. Something like Tomcat or WebLogic, they use Java. So for those we need to set the class path. That is nothing but Java home we need to set. So for that, go to Windows. From Windows, I went to settings. From the settings, need to click system. Here same environment. Edit the environment variables. Yeah, in system variables, we need to set the Java home. Java home is excluding the bin folder, and up to JDK only we need to set the path. So exclude the bin folder and go to until Java home only. So I selected this, and here let's see, we don't have Java home, so add new, and variable name is in caps Java underscore home, and paste the JDK path excluding the bin folder path and click OK. So here you can see variable name is Java underscore home and variable value is JDK folder excluding bin. Click OK and confirm OK. Yeah, that's it. Java home is set. Now we'll go to Eclipse and we will run with JDK 1.8 and we'll see sample Java program hello world will execute with JDK 1.8. Yeah, Eclipse is open. So let me create a new project. So file, new project. So here Java project selected and click next. Let me give Java demo 1.8. So we are giving JDK 1.8. So select here JDK 1.8, Java SE 1.8. Yeah, use executable execution environment JRE. I am choosing Java SE 1.8 and click next and finish. Yeah, open perspective. Okay, it is opening in this perspective. Close all these windows which are not relevant for us. Yeah, I'm opening this Java demo project and in source right click and create new package. Give something what dot something and click finish and right click on the package and create a class, Java class, new class and give demo something, some name I have given. Yeah, this is the class and main public static void main, and I'm printing something just to check our application is working fine. Yeah, right click and run as Java application. Yeah. Here one thing you can see, it is still taking JDK 14 by default. So let me change that configuration. So go to Windows, Windows Preferences and Java and install JREs. You need to check. Like we went from Windows Preferences, from Preferences go to Java and install JREs and executable environment. So let me go to install JARIS. Here it is pointing to JDK 14. So let me select JDK 1.8. So we need to add JDK 1.8 here. Don't choose JRE. It is showing like a name is install JARIS, but we need to set the JDK home path here. So click on add and standard VM, select this one and next, and JARI home is a JDK home path that is in C program files. C program files and Java JDK 1.8. I need to select the folder. Yeah, it picked all related lib files and jar. Just click finish, and now choose JDK 1.8 instead of JDK 14 and apply. And in executable environment also we need to select JDK 1.8. So Java SE 1.8 and choose JDK 1.8. Perfect match, this one, and apply and close. Now I am running application again. Here you can see, yeah, now it is changed, the compile environment and execution. C program files Java JDK 1.8 is been selected. So internally Java 1.8 is getting executed from Eclipse as well. So that's all recap on what we have learned so far. So we have seen how to install JDK from downloading from Oracle website, and we have gone through uh, installation wizard, and we installed JDK 1.8, and we have seen two folders for Java 1.8 like uh, JDK folder and JRE folder in program files, and Java 14 we have only one folder, that is clubbed together. Yeah, apart from that we have seen how to set path in environment variables, and we have seen from the command prompt Java compile Java C version as well as JVM version, Java version we have seen. Both are we able to set, and also we have seen how to set Java home. So we have seen that one as well. And from Eclipse, we ran simple hello world program, and we able to execute using JDK 1.8. For that we have set JDK path as well in Eclipse. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.